The Rugby Game by a Disgruntled Worker, a Satire, Part 5. Peter Sovereign, alias the Punisher, is a boss who takes no prisoners. He has a reputation for firing employees without proper grounds. According to Peter, everything is all good in the hood, as long as employees are doing their jobs properly or not messing up on the rugby field. But beware, his backlash is unforgiven. He's like a wild animal that will maul you to the ground. Forget about mediation or reasoning. Your only option is to go to an Employment Relations Authority hearing. Felix, alias Unfair Dismissal, the victim, he worked for Peter and was fired for eating his kai at his desk. He was just too hungry to take a break. But Peter didn't care. He shouted at Felix to F off without giving him a warning. For Peter, nothing is more important than his own authority and power. The referee on the rugby field is his employee, and he will only blow the whistle when Peter says so. In the land of the boss, Peter is untouchable, and he makes sure everyone knows it.